Hi everyone, welcome to Painting with Jess. Today I will be trying a fun painting with lots of color in the sky. If you want to try it too, you might find it fun. So I've got purple, pink, and yellow going in the sky. Kind of like a cool sunset colors. I tried to make this video for people who haven't really done a lot of painting yet because it's pretty easy and you get some nice results. So I'm using a mop brush to do the blending in the sky. And then I'll be doing some buildings. Thanks a lot for joining me today. I want to let you know that I have a link on my channel, which if you're interested will bring you to my store, which has items for sale that have my art designs on them. Thank you for your support and enjoy the day.